Do you ever find yourself scrolling through your Facebook feed, marveling at the endless stream of cat videos and political rants, and wondering how the heck Facebook makes any money? Well, wonder no more. In this video, I will exactly show Facebook's money-making machine and explore how Facebook generates those sweet dollar bills. So, how does Facebook make any money? The answer is simple. Ads, and more ads. You can't scroll 2 inches down your feed without running into a sponsored post or a clickbait article. But have you ever stopped and think about how Facebook actually charges for those ads? Let me explain. Facebook lets business owners and agencies a chance to promote their products and services on the platform itself. What is the trade-off? Facebook gives them eyeballs and asks money for it. Facebook offers several advertising options, including video ads, sponsored posts, carousel ads, and they charge money for each impression. What is an impression? With the simplest terms, it is when someone sees an ad. Facebook cannot exactly detect if a user is consciously looking at the ad, but Facebook actually thinks if that ad appears on their feed when they're scrolling down, it counts it as an impression. Facebook uses a system called CPM, which is cost per impression. You might be thinking, Jim, M is not impression, it is mil, which is 1,000 impressions. So in other words, every advertiser pays a certain amount for 1,000 impressions. It's like digital version of old saying, if you can beat him, charge him by the 1,000. For example, if an advertiser has a CPM of $5, they will pay $5 for every 1,000 times their ads appear on the user's screen, regardless of if they click the ad or not. But how does Facebook determines which ads to show to which users? That's where the auction comes in. Every time a user logs into Facebook, Facebook runs an auction to determine which ads to show to this user. It's like Hunger Games, but instead of kids fighting to death, it's advertisers bidding against each other to show their ads on your profile. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe. During that auction, advertisers bid on the opportunity to show their ads to a particular group of users. Facebook then uses an algorithm to detect an ad and shows that ad to the selected users. There are many reasons Facebook prioritizes certain ads over the others. Their algorithm aims to provide a positive user experience. They do that by trying to show relevant, useful, and engaging content. This is why the algorithm considers the user's interests, behavior, and preference when choosing which ads to show. For example, if a user frequently engages with ads or posts related to travel, Facebook AI will prioritize travel-related ads to that user's feed. This is because these ads will be more likely to be relevant and more engaging for that specific user, which increases the chances of that user clicking on this ad and taking a desired action. Facebook also takes into account ads quality and the relevance score. This score is determined based on how well the ad performed on the platform in terms of clicks, engagement, and conversions. Ads with high quality and relevance score are more likely to be shown on the user's feed, even though they have a lower bid. At the end of the day, what Facebook wants is user experience, so they can keep users on the platform and they can make more money. Another factor that can influence the prioritization of the ads is the ads format. Facebook offers several ad formats, such as videos, images, and carousels. Depending on the user's behavior and preferences, Facebook's algorithm might prioritize certain formats over the others. Let's say you're a person that always clicks on the video ads, and Facebook's AI will understand that, and they will most likely put video ads in front of you instead of the image ads. Finally, Facebook also considers the advertiser's ad account and reputation when choosing which ads to show first. Advertisers with a good track record of creating high quality videos or images or ads which are super engaging are more likely to be prioritized by Facebook. Let's say there's John's ad account, which has been reported many times for scammy advertising, and his reputation will be way lower. Even though he gets engagement way more than the competitors, his ads will be likely to shown right after his competitors. And at the end of the month, John will be paying more to reach 1,000 people than his competitors. That's why the ad accounts and the advertiser's reputation in the eyes of Facebook algorithm is extremely important. In conclusion, Facebook's advertising model is like a giant game of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. But instead of answering trivia questions, the advertisers are betting on a chance to win your attention. And Facebook algorithm prioritizing relevant and engaging ads for you is like having your own personal concierge service for all your advertising needs. So keep scrolling, keep clicking, and keep making Facebook richer. Just don't forget to take a break once in a while to enjoy these fun cat videos. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.